Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to yet another Eazybot video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I invested $15,000 into a cryptocurrency trading bot, making me passive income every day, day in, day out, even while I'm sleeping. It's working 24/7, 365 a year, and it's done a brilliant job so far, and we're going to go through it, how it works, how it makes me money, and how much it will make me in the future, hopefully. And at the same time, and the best thing about it is it never even leaves your wallet. So all your money is stuck into your KuCoin or Binance account. We can jump into my dashboard on Binance and you'll see I have $14,152.4 thousand in my Binance account, and all of this is used for the Eazybot. You basically connect it through an API connection, and the bot does the trading for you. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just connect it, put up your bots, and then the bot does its work. But before we get back into it and how it works, obviously none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and please always do your own research and your due diligence, because obviously, especially in cryptocurrency, there's always risks involved, and you should make your own research and base your opinion on that. But in my mind, this is one of the best ways in the current market situation to do or to get some of this juicy passive income. We can jump into a little spreadsheet I prepared here. It's still using the $7,100 because I actually upgraded to VIP just today. So I didn't update my spreadsheet yet. I had $7,100 trading Aave, Dogecoin, Polygon, Chainlink, Tron, Solana, Stellar, CurveDAO, Uniswap, Swap, and Monero. But today I decided to basically step it up a little bit and update my subscription from the advanced package to the VIP. So I invested another $1,000, and that's why it's no longer 15, so 14,000, because I invested the other 1,000 into the VIP package, so I can set up all bots I want. So all of the available coins I can trade now. I have private Zoom calls. I can do everything I want, basically. So checking out my bots, we see now instead of only having 10, I have Ethereum Classic, Filecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Cardano, Polkadot, and Litecoin as well. You see, it's not much happening yet, but I just set it up a couple of hours ago and already made $1.65 in Ethereum Classic, which is very nice. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, already had some profitable trades going on, actually on every single coin, which is amazing. We see Aave already up 13%, Dogecoin 6.7, Matic 11.5, Solana almost 10% up. Amazing results. So let's jump back into the spreadsheet, because we had over $500 already made, which is 7.1% in about 1.5 months, honestly. Great results. We had 5.46% in July alone. August for now is a little bit slower. We have 1.92% for now. So that's till yesterday. Basically, we can multiply this by 2 for the end of the month, and we almost have 4% for August, which is a little bit slower than July, but still a very, very solid, very, very good month. So now I updated it, or I have to update it, basically doubled it. You know, I'm doubling down, seeing those results, because in the end, and why I love Eazybot is that the money never leaves your account. It's in Binance, and everything is open, transparent. You have private Zoom calls, you have open Zoom calls, you have support calls, you have corporate calls with the CEOs and founders. It's doing a bloody job, honestly, when you ask me. So yeah, I doubled down. I put it up to 14,000, added another couple of coins, and yeah, try to just take it up and take the rise, man. So we made $350 in July. Now putting it up, we need 230 more to equal this. I think we're gonna smash it because I doubled it, And yeah, I want to go to over $1,000, you know, per month. And some of the people say or might ask, is it fake? No, it's not. You see every single trade in your back office here, and every single trade also in your Binance exchange when you go to transaction history. Everything's open. Every trade is an actual real trade, not those platforms where you send money to and get a like basic percentage every day, like 0.5%, 1%, 5%, whatever, back into your account. That's not trading. That's scamming, you know. And Eazybot is open about everything. It does real trading, real spot trading, no leverage, no nothing. It buys and sells real cryptocurrency inside your own exchange account, inside your wallet, you know. So, and it's working 24/7, so you don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, again, I doubled down. I now have $15,000 working for me, and yeah, probably even step it up a little bit. Put some more money in. I think Solana, Polygon, and Uniswap, and maybe CurveDAO also deserve a raise. They are now trading with $600 each, and yeah, I took the new bots to 1,000, so maybe they deserve a raise to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how this works out. If any of you want to try it out, Eazybot, I have a link down below in the description box. Basically, when you start out, you just make an account. It's free to use. You can start off with 2 bots for free as well. Yeah, it's not paid. You know, you don't have to pay to take it. You can start for free and then open 2 bots with the free version. You basically have to fill up your wallet a little bit because it takes a service fee of about 20%. So if you make $1 profit, they take 20% off it. That's why you have an internal wallet here. You see here, service fee, 20% deduction from trade this. They took 9 cents. Here they took 18 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents, 18 cents. It's not much. You don't even need $100 here, depending on how much volume you're going to trade with. You know, like if you have 15,000 like me, you need a little bit more. If you have like 1,200, have 2 bots times $600, you only need like $20. You know, like $15 is enough probably as well. So yeah, and then you can get started by linking your API. You just go to user exchanges. You see, I already have my API connection here. You just add user exchange, take your private and your secret key from Binance or KuCoin, put it in, connect it, and then, you know, just start your bots. Go to bots, make a new bot, add new, put in your coin you want to trade with, and let's go. You know, the only thing you need to worry about is that you pay a little bit less fees on Binance, so you should have a little bit of BNB in your account as well, because the Eazybot, let's check here, for example, Aave, if you go into settings, it will have the BNB burn on, which means you want to take BNB as your Binance fees, basically. So you need a little bit of BNB in your Binance account. If you do not have BNB inside the account, it takes USDT or the coin as a trading fee, and then it's a little bit more expensive than when you use BNB on Binance. And then you just let it do its work, you know. It's really doing its job. Again, I expect those results. You know, 5.5% is very high for doing nothing. Again, it's $350 with back then 7,000 or 6.5. It was back then invested. Amazing results. So I'm not expecting it to be as high, but at the same time, I am expecting it to be as high because I think this is the best trading bot out there. Obviously, again, no financial advice. Do your own research. But talking to the founders, being in every single Zoom call I can attend. Asking questions, getting those replies day in, day out, seeing the strategy updates. They will implement another strategy, another new trading strategy into the current trading strategy, being able to deliver even more profitable trades. The company is like 4 months old, you know, and already made over 1 million profitable trades. They closed over 1 million profitable trades. Amazing, amazing results. It's growing at a rapid rate, and I just want to be a part of it, you know, and it's that amazing that I want to share it. with everybody, because I think that's just one of the best solutions right now in the cryptocurrency market to do or to get some of this passive income. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Take a little thumbs up, ring the bell, sub to the channel if you like what I'm doing. And again, I just try to provide a little bit of positive news and passive income opportunities, and I think I found the best trading bot out there. But until then, see ya. Peace. Like